This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 103.2BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 7, air conditioning, LP detector, spare tire kit, water heater, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, awning, leveling jacks, microwave, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 103.2BH is 9,468 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.